I arrived into Essaouira yesterday thinking, in my great stupidity, that I'd be dancing and skipping and swimming in the sea, and that the fish would be rejoicing to see me after all these years. And you know what it is? Will I tell you what it is now? The cold wind outside would cut you. I went out to go for a cup of coffee and a chat with my book, and perhaps to write you a letter. But you know what it is? I had to run in after less than a minute. I'm so unused to the cold of Essaouira. I'd say that I was mesquite, but people think I'm not. People think I'm a Gerrit.